Now that we understand what a cavity is, we can discuss the different types of cavities available in NetBlock 3D. Under the cavity library, cavities are organized in alphabetical order, with libraries representing both standard and custom cavity collections. Some library selections are individual cavities, while others are called footprints or interface patterns, and represent a collection of cavities to accommodate various block assembly components, such as cartridge valves or flanges. These types of cavities come with an envelope surrounding them, which represents the space that nothing else should be put in, as the attached component will take up that space. These types of cavities often come with their own bolt holes for attachment included in the footprint. Ports are another common category of cavities that only have one working area, and thus can only be part of one net at a time. Hoses will connect to these ports to introduce or remove fluid from the block. Short ports are a special type of cavity, an SAE plug that has a reduced spot face diameter and thread depth. Expander plugs are a specific type of construction port where an expandable plug is inserted into the cavity and used to prevent the leakage of hydraulic fluid. Drill holes are the most common types of cavities to angle and can be used to connect networks. Sun cavities are a unique library of cavities where the depth is measured from the locating shoulder, and as such, the locating shoulder depth can be adjusted in the Cavity Properties menu. The Sun library also offers some cavities with built-in undercuts, as seen here. Regardless of the unit system users are working in, NetBlock offers the use of both metric and Imperial bolt holes, which are typically used as mounting holes of some variety. To modify any of the cavities we just inserted, we can either modify the drill depth in the Cavity Properties panel, or use the Stretch Cavity command to add or reduce the final drill depth.